Abraham out of that city. God, Abraham obeyed God because God was saying to him, Abraham, I want to give you an inheritance. Abraham, I want to give you this promise. This is a blessing. But when Abraham was coming out of that place, he was longing for a city. How can he long for a city? Unless he was coming out of a place that was built a city. When he came out of that place where a city was being built, but he was longing for a city whose maker, whose foundation, the architect is God himself. And he said, Abraham, you are about to receive an inheritance. Come out of that city. Just like many of you were going to church before. You were placed somewhere, and in that place something was being built. Possible that maybe they were building it for themselves. They were doing it for their name. They were building something. But while you were there, you were feeling that they must know. I'm sensing the call of God inside of me. There has to be more. There has to be more. I can see that there's something that is being built. But I hear God calling me into a city. How can one long for a church while he's in church? How can he long for a church in church? Abraham was in a place. A city was built.